In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Turtle Beach Recon 200 Gen 2 to Xbox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and use your Turtle Beach Recon 200 Gen 2 on any Xbox console, so old Gen Xbox One or new Gen Xbox Series S or X. You will be able to easily do this with the included 3.5mm cable. So there will be a 3.5mm cable originating from the headset. All that you have to do is connect it to your controller's audio port or any other sort of adapter that you have that has the 3.5mm audio jack. As soon as you connect it, you will be good to go. There is going to be a physical console mode switch on the left ear cup of the headset. All that you have to do is slide it into the Xbox position. Immediately upon doing this and connecting the 3.5mm audio jack into the controller's audio port, you will be able to listen to all of the audio being output on the Xbox through the Turtle Beach headset instead. So you can go over to the settings if you wish to change the volume and audio output settings, but for the most part, it is plug and play. So as soon as it is connected, you will be good to go. The microphone should also work, so if you join any sort of voice chat, you will be able to test it out. And like I said, it's fully plug and play, so there's no need to download additional software or update the firmware and so on. You will be able to use it in voice chats inside of games, and everyone should be able to hear you as long as the microphone is enabled. If you encounter problems while connecting it, ensure that the connection is well established, double check the cable and make sure that it is not loose, and you can try restarting the console and making sure that everything is properly connected. For the Xbox, you will only be able to use this through a wired connection, so ensure that the controller audio port is working. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Turtle Beach Recon 200 Gen 2 to Xbox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.